super enthusiastic.
Heavy.
It would have to be arts.
Involvement.
Great fun.
Educational.
Epic.
Absolutely fantastic. Fantastical. It's really great, yeah.
Vibrant. It's great weather and a lovely big owl. I've really enjoyed looking at the owls.
I would definitely say unique.
Hot.
If I had to use something in one word, it'd have to be awesome. It's been really, really awesome.
Opportunity.
We would use maybe 2 words and say a happy surprise, because we didn't know it was on, so it's all good.
Messy.
It is exceptional.
Volunteers.
Inspiring. Surprising.
Brilliant.
Superb.
The one word.
One word to sum up the festival.
Celebration.
Just wondering what one word you'd use to sum up this year's festival. That is amazing.